What's up guys, Bobby Land from Witness Riders coming here. We came up here to join Glenn and the GodSpeed for this charity car show event. I went ahead and bought some tickets for the driving challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and hope I win that. Got some trophies over there. We got Matt from Blacktop Rally, got his Huracan over here. We got Glenn's Gallardo. Enjoy the car show. It's all for a good cause, for a charity. All right guys, thanks for joining us on this video. We're up here at the GodSpeed charity car show event. Looks like I might have won my driving challenge. I'm in the GodSpeed Lamborghini Gallardo. Guys, we look forward to you riding with us.